Jensen Huang has spent a decade telling anyone who would listen that Nvidia is a platform company, not a chip company. Wall Street nodded politely, yes, and kept valuing it like a chip company nonetheless. This week, Nvidia did something that makes that position considerably harder to dismiss. But before we move on into Jensen Huang's latest exploits, I would request you please to go ahead and like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much for all of your support. Nvidia has introduced a revenue sharing and credit support model for AI cloud providers known as neoclouds, who have customer demand, long-term contracts and genuine need for compute, but not the capital to deploy tens of thousands of GPUs. The model is quite straightforward. Nvidia provides credit support to unlock deployment. In return, it earns traditional GPU revenue and a share of the cloud revenue generated from that very infrastructure. Now, the first two beneficiaries are Sharon AI, which is deploying up to 40,000 Grace Blackwell GPUs, and Firmus, building an AI campus in Indonesia targeting 360 megawatts and as many as 170,000 Nvidia GPUs. Now, one-time hardware sale becomes a recurring position in the economics of AI compute. That is actually the transformation. Training was the compute story everyone was watching. Inference is now the one that matters. Running models, serving users, generating tokens, supporting agents, operating AI factories around the clock. Now, Jensen Huang said recently that compute demand is growing at levels that are almost unimaginable. A modern AI factory costs tens of billions of dollars before a single token is generated, warranting an investment in power, land, cooling, networking, construction and GPUs. Now, all the companies with genuine customer demand are still struggling to finance the build-out. Nvidia's answer is to remove that constraint and take a position in what comes out of the other side. Meta expects to spend between $125 billion and $145 billion on infrastructure alone this year. Now, when investors push back on the capex, guess what Mark Zuckerberg did? He pointed out that any compute Meta builds beyond its own needs can be rented out. The market reread the entire AI infrastructure story overnight. What looked like a cost line started looking like a revenue line. Nvidia appears to have reached the same conclusion. The assumption driving this model is that compute itself is a product, and the companies that own the infrastructure producing the compute are in a fundamentally different position from the ones that simply buy access to it. Now, when pressed on competition from custom AI chips, ASICs from Google, Amazon and others, Huang's argument was quite consistent. The competition focuses on chips, Nvidia focuses on AI factories. Custom silicon that can replicate a chip. Replicating an entire platform built over 15 years is a very different challenge altogether. Hardware, networking, software, CUDA, deployment, operations, supply chain and support all integrated. Now, the revenue sharing model makes that argument tangible. Nvidia is financing the factory, supplying the chips, owning the software and taking a cut of the revenue. That is the platform company, ladies and gentlemen, Jensen Huang has been describing for a decade, except now it has a contract attached to it. And here comes the front page take. Nvidia built its position by selling the machines that power AI. This week, it announced it will also help finance the buildings those machines go into and take a share of everything they produce. Jensen Huang's AI factory thesis has been consistent for years. The revenue sharing model is actually the moment that thesis became a commercial arrangement rather than a conference keynote. The company that supplied the picks and shovels has decided the mine is actually worth owning a piece of too. That, I believe, is a very specific kind of confidence in where this is all heading towards. Please do let us know what are your thoughts on this very interesting development in the comments below. This, ladies and gentlemen, is Front Page by the IM Network. Like, share, subscribe. And always remember, think AI, think AIM.